Alright, time to show you guys a quick little trick, a tutorial on how to re-UV map things and also add them to pre-existing templates. So for this, I'm using my 2025 Camaro model, and we're going to go ahead and map the window net. So some teams, I guess, might want to put sponsors on there or whatever. So we're going to go ahead and do this. So I've already separated from the chassis, but if you need to separate from the chassis or something else, you can just click on whatever it's on, press tab, go to this x-ray mode, and it looks a little bit intimidating, but you can go ahead and isolate what you need to select. And like if I just need to select this little section, boom, there you go. And then right click, separate by selection. So once done all that, here's my window net. And then I'm going to go ahead and link this to the body. So we're going to hold shift and click on the body, do Control L, link materials, and now it's linked to the body. And then we'll press tab, hop over to our UV editor mode, which if you don't know how to get to the split screen, the little corner right here where it shows the little like I guess little aim icon or something, whatever, just click and drag and it'll bring you to another screen, and you can use this to choose between all these stuff. For me, I'm in UV editor. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this guy unwrapped. So I don't recommend this for anything like if you're unwrapping a piece of the car itself, I wouldn't recommend this, but since it's just a window net, it's already at an angle, let's just go ahead and project it from view. So we'll go ahead and get as straight as we possibly can get it, and then go over to UV up here on your viewport, and then go project to view. And now you can see we have a nicely unwrapped window net. So for this, we'll go ahead and straighten out a little bit and rotate it 180 degrees, shrink it down, and actually we will not rotate it 180 degrees. We'll leave it like this and put it right there. That seems like a nice little fitting spot for it. And you can see now, like my Turn 4 Graphics logo is like pretty much lined up across the whole thing, which looks pretty cool. And so now to get this onto our pre-existing template, what we'll do in the UV editor selection or viewport, go to UV, export UV layout, and just do window net. And for this to like actually appear on the mask and stuff, we'll go ahead and put the opacity to 1, and then we'll export another one, and this is for the wireframe, put it to 0, and then export it again. We'll go ahead and get out of that UV editor mode, go to Photoshop, open up these, and then we'll grab our window net mask, put it over the mask, and then we'll go ahead and click on it so it's selected, go to our mask, Control X, delete that, and then grab our wireframe, which that's at 16%. We'll turn that all the way up real quick just so we can merge that down and then turn it back down. And then now if we put, well, we'll put a color down here. If you actually put a color, there we go. And then come over here, you can literally click on the body or whatever and it'll automatically update. Now you got a pink window net, and then you can put logos and whatever all down here and whatnot, and there you go. Yeah, very, very simple, very easy. If you're going to be doing, I don't know, if you want to add the spoiler, which I already have the spoiler added to it, you just project from view from here, or you can just unwrap it, whatever works. And yeah, so if you need to make a change, if you modeled something, you need to make a change to like the corner of the bumper and you need to redo the whole front bumper, instead of redoing the whole mask, just redo the front bumper. It's going to be a lot easier. But anyway, I hope this helped for whatever things you might need to use this for. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.